Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today's news story is called How Wearable Tech Transformed My Everyday Life. As always, you can find the full story written on our blog. We'll also have all the details in the description below. Before we get started, I want to quickly say thank you. Thank you for watching our videos and being part of this amazing community. We've been thinking about what we could do to show our appreciation, and we were super excited to announce that we are relaunching our very own merch store. And now, let's dive into today's story. Alex has always been an everyday person. They go to work, meet friends, work out, and try to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Alex never really paid much attention to wearable technology like smartwatches and fitness trackers until one day while jogging, Alex missed an important phone call. That's when they realized they didn't want to rely solely on their bulky phone, so they started looking into wearable technology. At first, the options seemed overwhelming. Fitness trackers, smartwatches, health bands, wireless earbuds with voice assistance. So many choices. Not knowing where to start, Alex decided to go online and do some research. They wanted something simple and effective that could help them stay connected without carrying their phone everywhere. After hours of searching and reading reviews, Alex found a highly rated basic fitness tracker that promised helpful features without being too complicated. Intrigued, they decided to give it a try. This is where Alex's journey into the world of wearable technology begins. The sleek design of the fitness tracker looked great on Alex's wrist. Setting it up was easy. They downloaded the app, paired the tracker, and inputted their information. Everything was intuitive and straightforward. Alex was ready to see what it could do. The first few days were a learning experience. The fitness tracker was constantly buzzing with reminders to move, stretch, or drink water. While some were helpful, others felt annoying. But Alex persisted, adjusting settings and learning the tracker's rhythm. As the weeks went by, Alex started noticing subtle changes. The tracker's gentle reminders helped them take more breaks during work, which surprisingly boosted productivity. They found themselves walking more, taking the stairs, and sleeping slightly better. The fitness tracker was subtly influencing positive changes. One evening, Alex had a late night out with friends. The fitness tracker's improved sleep tracking features gave insight into the quality of rest they were getting. It turns out staying out late was affecting their sleep more than they realized. This newfound awareness was a turning point. Over time, Alex became more engaged. They customized the tracker's appearance, choosing watch faces that motivated them. This personalization made the tracker feel like a stylish accessory rather than a health gadget. Alex still had some reservations. Sharing health data with a large corporation raised privacy concerns. However, the tracker's encryption and security features alleviated these worries. Alex realized the convenience of the wearable tech outweighed their initial fears. Alex's colleagues noticed the change. Some colleagues expressed interest, sparking conversations about wearable tech and its benefits. Alex became a sort of informal ambassador for the tracker, sharing their experiences and insights. As months passed, Alex's transformation was evident. Their home was filled with smart devices, their wardrobe included stylish activewear, and their workspace was adorned with health-related gadgets. Alex was fully embracing a healthier, more tech-savvy lifestyle. One day, Alex woke up feeling unwell. The smart thermometer and health monitor indicated a fever and low energy levels. With a heavy heart, Alex knew they had to take a sick leave. The wearable tech had become an integral part of their daily routine, including monitoring their health. Alex's colleagues were surprised. They hadn't expected Alex to prioritize their health over work. This unexpected day off was a wake-up call. Alex realized that health should be the top priority. The mental health and well-being features offered guidance through meditation and mindfulness exercises. Alex found solace in these features, realizing that wearable tech wasn't just about physical health, but also mental well-being. As Alex recovered, they noticed something remarkable. The wearable tech had seamlessly integrated into their daily life. It wasn't just a collection of gadgets, but an essential part of their routine. A few months later, Alex attended a health and wellness event. They were amazed to see how far they had come. From a simple fitness tracker, they had expanded their wearable tech collection, incorporating devices that monitored various aspects of their health. The journey was not without challenges. Alex had initially hesitated to share personal health data with companies. However, the security and privacy measures implemented by the wearable tech industry had eased their concerns. Looking back, Alex realized how wearables had transformed their life. Increased activity, improved sleep, and heightened health awareness were just the beginning. These devices had also boosted productivity, reduced stress, and provided a sense of community. The most significant change was the shift in mindset. Alex no longer saw wearable tech as a passing trend, but as a catalyst for lasting change. They understood that small, consistent steps, driven by technology, could lead to big transformations. Alex continued exploring the world of wearable tech, trying out new devices and sharing their experiences. They became an advocate for this technology, inspiring others to embrace a healthier, more tech-driven lifestyle. The future looked bright for Alex. They were excited to continue their journey, eager to see how wearable tech would continue to evolve and shape their life. Alex knew that the small choices they made every day, empowered by technology, would lead to a brighter, healthier tomorrow. So that wraps up today's story. Like the story? Please hit the like button. And if you haven't already, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you do not miss any of our awesome stories. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.